All right, in this video, we are going to talk about how to use or pass a variable in order to control the color of a shape in Python turtle. Here we go, my friends. Let's see how it works first. So I'm going to click the run button. Take a look in the lower right-hand corner. What color do I want? I would like to have green. How many circles do I want? I would like 3. As soon as I press 3, the rest of the program will run. 1, 2, 3. I got 3 circles. They're green. How did this happen? Well, the first 2 lines of code, import turtle and t1 equals turtle.turtle, that's just setting up Python to do some drawing for us. And then you noticed that there were 2 questions that were asked. Color equals input. What color do you want? This is asking for a string variable. The second one on line 5, number equals int input. How many circles do I want? This is an integer or int variable. You can tell because it has an int right here. This sets this up as a number that can actually be used by Python to count. How does it work? Well, if you look at line 7, we started a for loop for I in range parentheses number, close parentheses, and a colon. This means that whatever value is entered for this variable on line 5 is held and passed on to our for loop. So the for loop kicks off. It takes our fill color from line 4, the color variable, and it sets this up right away as our fill color. Then we start begin fill. We draw a circle with a radius of 50 pixels. Then end fill. Our first circle is done. Then it lifts the pen up, goes forward 10 pixels, puts the pen down, and goes back up to the top again. Now, what would happen if I didn't say end fill? I'm going to delete that line of code, and let's run it again. So what color do I want? I want yellow. How many circles do I want? I'll stick with 3 and press enter. Didn't get any fill. Why is that? Because even though we told it to begin fill, unless we have end fill in place, it will never start the fill. So make sure when you are setting up a shape to fill in Python that you go in this order of telling it what color will be used, beginning the fill, drawing the shape, and then end fill. That way, your color will be delivered to be the fill of your shape. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.